If you've ever needed to access an ISO file on Windows 10 or 11, you might think you need third-party software, but the good news is you don't. Windows has a built-in feature that allows you to mount and explore ISO files just like any other folder, making it easier than ever to access the content of an image without extra tools. An ISO image is essentially a digital replica of a physical CD, DVD, or Blu-ray, widely used for distributing software, including Microsoft's official Windows installation files. To mount an ISO file using File Explorer, you can simply double-click the file, right-click and select Mount, or use the Mount option in the ribbon menu. Once mounted, the ISO appears as a virtual drive in this PC, allowing you to browse and extract its contents. If you need to unmount it, just right-click the virtual drive and select Eject. Simple as that. But what if you prefer using PowerShell? No problem. Open PowerShell as an administrator and type the command, mount disk image, image path C:\\path to / your O. So, replacing the path with the actual file location. This will mount the ISO just like File Explorer. To unmount it, use the command, dismount disk image, image path C:\\path to / your own ISO. And the virtual drive will disappear instantly, whether you're installing software, creating backups, or testing an operating system. Knowing how to mount and unmount ISO images natively on Windows can save time and hassle. Try these methods out, and let us know in the comments if you found them helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech guides and updates. This is TechVerse, your go-to source for the latest in tech.